Hey y'all, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can see by the title, today I'm showing you how I make cabbage with smoked turkey. My friend Christine used to make this a long time ago, many years ago, and I think it was maybe on Thursday or Friday. I was like, you know what? I think I want to make some cabbage with smoked turkey. Yes, honey. So, and this is a good recipe. I have added a little bit of heat to it with the chili oil and the red chili peppers. So you don't have to add those ingredients if you don't like it spicy, but I'm just here to tell you it's not overbearing. It just gives that little hint of extra spice. I'm sure you will enjoy it. If you decide to make this recipe, please tag me on Instagram at DelightfullyGG. If you decide to use the Everglades seasoning, make sure you go kind of light on it if you're not used to using it, because it does have salt in it, so you don't want it to be overly salty. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And also, if you like the content that you're seeing on my channel, subscribe. Hit that little red subscribe button. It's free. It does not cost you a thing, my friend. All right. Have a wonderfully blessed day, my friends. Until next time. Bye-bye.